Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize tables in Google Docs. First of all, when your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser prefer, then look out for the Google Docs and tap on the Google Docs over here and sign into your Google Docs account. And when you open your Google Docs, click on the blank document. So here we can see we just landed to the blank document. And here's a blank option. What you have to do is simply click on this top option that says insert and for tab table. What you have to do is select the tables, whichever you prefer. And when you're done with it, you can see you can find the table. And if you want to move the table in your preference here, because see there's this icon, you can simply move the indents over here. And that is if you want to add anything, the words under your table, you can also type down like this. And if you prefer the words bold, you can simply select the whole area like this and go to the B option at the top and select other options over here, whichever you prefer by the color selection as well. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.